All right, this is just a raw start, no starting fluid, to show you where I'm at right now. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try it out. And that's where we at right now. So now we're gonna try one. I'm gonna spray starting fluid and the air intake, and then we're gonna see. This is where I'm going with the starting fluid. I mean, yeah, with the starting fluid. As you can see, this is my air filter, and then the throttle body here. I'm gonna go in this little hole. I already pulled out the sensor, so I'm gonna go in this little hole here so I can get some starting fluid in there. Let's see if I can get it. Show y'all. Put it back in, and we're gonna start them up. And this is with the starting fluid.